For carpet cleaning and pet repairs, call Chubby Chubby Carpet Cleaning in Puyallup.
We're here doing this carpet repair right now. And here we go. This was like a burn spot. We could turn this into a carpet tattoo. We could turn that into a bald eagle or Harley Davidson, but this customer has chosen to do carpet repair. So we've removed the yarns and we're going to put in the new piece we've put in right there. Stay tuned.
If you need your carpet stretched, call Chubby Chubby Carpet Cleaning in Puyallup.
So now we're using the Cool Glide, okay? Cool Glide is really cool because it's a microwave iron. Look at that, that's the Cool Glide. We like the Cool Glide. Okay, there's our donor right there. It's all fitted in there. Now we're going to use the iron. I had to trim a little bit off of this. That's called the gauge. The Cool Glide is so cool because if you mess up, you can start over and reheat up your tape and take it off and make adjustments. Look at that. Now let's go down this row here. Okay, you can smell it. Can't smell it on YouTube, but I could smell it, so I'm telling you all about it. When this goes off, then we take the iron off. And then we roll it. Okay, we're doing another one. We're almost done here, YouTube. Is it off? It's off. Now, we're gonna put our fuzzies. Okay, now, look at here, look at here. We are done with this carpet repair. We just wanted to show you if this carpet was clean as everything else, or if everything else was as clean as that donor yarn, you wouldn't see all this. But once we clean it up, you're not gonna be able to tell. You need your carpets repaired, call Chubby Chubby. Look at the different scrubbing made. So Jesse's done with half of the room, but you can clearly see the difference. Look. He's done half the hall. That half's not done, and this whole area here is not done. That's the difference scrubbing can make.
This is a CRB. This will take our cleaning solutions and scrub it right into the face pipe. If your carpet looks really dark, you need something like this. If you haven't cleaned your carpet in many years, this is the only way we can restore your carpet without you losing your deposit. We're not just trying to upsell you to raise the bill. If you clean your carpet every 6 months, you probably don't even need this. But for those of you who haven't cleaned in several years, the only chance we have at trying to restore your carpet without you having to lose your deposit. In my opinion, this is worth every penny. Have you checked out our spotters? This is the best thing to use between carpet cleanings.